Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to schedule YouTube video uploads. Why would you want to know how to schedule YouTube video uploads? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to schedule YouTube video uploads. So today I am going to show you how to schedule YouTube video uploads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. First of all, open a browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Now you are seeing different buttons in top. Click on create button near notification. Click on upload video. Select a video. Scroll down. Select either the video is for kids or not. Now select on next. Click on next. Again next. Scroll down. Now you are seeing schedule. Click on it. From here you can add a date and a time. After selecting date and time, click on schedule. There you go. If you wanted to know how to schedule YouTube video uploads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.